This takes us to items needing individual consideration. There are 3 items today. The first item is to consider approving a contract between Spectra LLC to replace while upgrading the community crime surveillance camera system used across Mesa County. Art Smith, Division Chief, Sheriff's Office, to present.
Good morning, Commissioners, Mr. Chair. Yes, we have in Mesa County owned and operated or leased, owned and operated by the Sheriff's Office, a community crime surveillance camera system that is a very effective tool that we use in solving crimes and fighting crime. The system that we have is antiquated. We have a lot of problems with it. There are ongoing lease costs that make it ultimately prohibitive. The biggest issue with the system that we have is that it is not National Defense Act authorization approved, and so it is not whitelisted, and that does cause some issues. For a number of different reasons, we looked at the need and the time to replace the system. We spec a specific product, primarily because, and when I say the specific product, the specific type of camera, primarily because we're very familiar with it. It is the camera that is used today by Mesa County facilities when they go and install a camera in a location, and they are very familiar with it, and we're very familiar with that platform. We did release essentially a limited RFP that spec that product that was put out to all of the approved installer sellers in Mesa County. We received 2 responses. Spectra by far was the better of the 2 offers. One thing, in terms of the system, just for your knowledge, the system that we are looking to purchase and install is the same system that School District 51 just replaced in all 40 plus some odd of their schools. So the contract is written as a not to exceed contract. It is a fairly complex project in that we, the Sheriff's Office, are not the owner of the majority of the locations where the cameras are installed. These are all public, not all, the majority are public-private partnership cameras, but there are cameras. So, and then lastly, the funds that we are planning to use for this project, for the Sheriff's Office portion of this, is seized funds. Hopefully that gives you a primer. I'm not sure if you have other questions.
It's up to $300,000, right?
It's written as not to exceed $300,000.
Yeah. Okay, I see the fee schedule and all that, so I'm good. Thank you, Art.
I have no questions.
I don't have any questions on it.
Thank you.
Okay, so now we have a motion for item number 1 on the agenda today, and a motion to approve as published.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion carries 3-0.